Hey folks, it's Jim. Today I decided that I would just put wood in here just to see, you know, how would it go. I've already had wood in the top before, and that helped my burn before on this waste oil furnace, dual purpose furnace, whatever you'd like to call it. Anyway, so what I have done to, well, I need to find the pipe here that I have. What I've done to regulate stuff here is this one here, we'll show you. I have a cutoff wheel. I put a rim in there because I actually have it opened up wider for a different burner in there. So I put this rotor in there, and I put one of them cutoff discs in there over the hole and kind of slid them around. Here's my damper, because on this particular furnace I don't have a damper. Look, it's burning my pipe down there. It's not even connected, but it's so hot it's burning the residual oil. Anyway, so I put wood in. Yeah, now it's doing a thing here. Let's see if I can get it open without killing myself here. Yeah, there you go. Look, we have like that there, and these aren't very big pieces. See, I'm just using those little teeny. We call them cookies around here. When you cut off, you have to cut off an end. Maybe it's crooked, but I cut them purposely that way for like chunk wood. And then there's a big guy in there, kind of, well, not big, but forearm size in there, right? That's kind of cool. Oh, watch out! All right, so I put that down, and anyway, and then here's my temperature deal. Let's see, we'll just go right by the handle. Let's see, can we see it? Can you see it, folks? Okay, bam, there you go. 600. Well, geez, come on. Okay, so just under 700. And if I open up, then let's see, what are we here? We're 365.6 at the top. 170 something. And this here reads that, but it's not that. It is 206. And of course, the compressor starts when I'm doing a video. As you folks know, that is something that happens every now and then here. Okay, so anyway, I do have some smoke burning off of there because I spilled oil. The bottom has some ashes, coals falling out of it. I need to make a better coal tray. I have a can down there right now. And look, it is a little hazy. I can open up the door. I'm just, right now, for the waste oil furnace, I need oil. Well, I got a bunch from a friend of mine, Matt, and it's all over there. See that oil right there? That's all there. I have some up in there. I'm not using it today, so it don't matter. And it's, I don't know, without a fan, and it's under 30 degrees out here. So without a fan, we're at 50 degrees over here, which is 10 feet away or so. So anyway, and I'm fine at 50 degrees. I probably will open up the door once everybody over there quits smoking. Oh, another thing I did is, because this wood was in a wheelbarrow and it's been raining and icy lately, I put it on top in a little stack thing here. The bottom ones will be, you know, I'll use them maybe for tomorrow or something. If I put in there, they seem to do okay too. So I'm going to do it this way here today. Another time I'll throw it in there with just leave everybody down there, because it's drawing through the air at the bottom. That big air hole, I made it to like 4 inches or something. So anyway, I'm drying stuff off. There's nothing happening. See, I have a little fuse inside my pipe, or my rubber hose there to, anyway. So the project is going to be to take this pump I got off of an old Oliver tractor. It pumps in case you have armed, you know, loader or something. And this starter off of a 1958 Ford straight 6-cylinder. It's a 12-volt starter. They went to 12-volt then. I'm going to make up a little rack out of this here somehow, right, to make it. And either I'm going to take off the Bendix here from the starter, so that shaft will just stick out. We don't need it. I'll you know, make a thing to hold everybody, and him also. If I can, I might put them in line if they spin the same. You know, if it don't spin the same, I'm gonna go pulley. If they spin the same, I'm gonna get one of those couplings, you know, kind of like this here, and have one has that, one has the other side, and then there's a rubber thing that fits in between. And I'll use a battery, or I'll have cables long enough to hook up to my own battery for my own truck. So, and then I can go to places and pump the oil. There's a few places that'll let me do it. And some of the farmers said, go man go, and I said, okay, I'm gonna go. And they said, good. So anyway, alright, well that's it for right now. I'm gonna open up this door, get this smoke out of here, and get after this here other project so I can continue on with the waste oil furnace project. And as we were just doing this video, see this guy here, he's now in the couple 150-degree area, but we'll hit him here with this thing here. Where's that? God, it's hard to see sometimes with this and this. Okay, so we have 220 now, and then let's see down here by my handle. It's looking like we have 797, almost 800. You know, that's pretty good. 724 right there. So 800 at the bottom is good. What are we having up here now? 373. That's damped down. And holy smokes, 230 something at the very top. So that's pretty good, right? You know. And if I had a fan, it would be warming this up more, but it's already warm enough in here. 50 degrees is warm enough, you know. I have no insulation. You know, I've already told you that, folks, right? These are walls. Of course, they're walls. And then that's that 1.5 inch styrofoam stuff. That's all I have. So, anyway, thanks for stopping by, checking out this weird update. And I'm going to open up some doors so I don't get a smoke asphyxiation. I think I might have it. Thanks a lot. Sub if you want, and comment for sure. Comment. Alright, there you go. Thanks.